In progress.
Here's an example of what someone ran into when they tried to join the chat on the live event. So they tried to click the chat, they saw this pop up here, and nothing else happened. So they were really stuck. So here's what I'm going to recommend you do if you run into this. First, I want you to try to log out. So the way you do that is you click on the three dots up here and select log out. If you haven't logged in previously, this option won't be there, and I'll get to that in just a second. But go ahead and click log out. It won't hurt to refresh the screen at this point as well. So I'm going to hit to refresh the screen. And now when you come back in here, instead of trying to do a chat, like instead of going here and typing, don't do that. Instead, try this. Go up here, click login, and you can put any email address that you want over here. So let me just walk through it. So I'm going to put something in here, testing chat. Continue. It's going to ask me for my name. It's going to ask me for a password. I'm going to hit sign up. And now I'm in, and I should be able to chat. So I'm hoping that'll work. Please try that. And thank you for being part of this Defend community. If that is failing, please email us at support@defendourunion.org. Support@defendourunion.org. Thank you.